At IndiEV, we believe that greatness comes when people have the ability to be their best selves, freely and unapologetically. When IndiEV was founded in 2017, the purpose behind our first vehicle was clear: bring users the power to express themselves, providing a vehicle that reflects who they are and what they need.
The powerful INDI One can help me, for example, editing videos on the go, doing live stream, and showing dailies to clients on set.
Our mantra, "You do you," is at the heart of all that we do as a company. Every design choice we make is centered around giving users the ability to be who they are and express that to the world.
The technology in the INDI One, I think, is really, really cool. I can't believe we can actually edit in the car, you know? To me, the phrase, "you do you," is just allowing an individual to be completely and authentically themselves.
To us, individuality is key, and we want to help you do you, whoever you are. Every day, we're impressed by the unique backgrounds, interests, and skills of those around us.
What I love about this is it's so customizable. Can you see my website up on here? That is so cool.
To bring the You Do You essence to the world, we have integrated unparalleled technology inside our flagship vehicle, the INDI One. Via the INDI One's connectivity and processing power, the world is at your fingertips, no matter where life takes you. Combining the raw computing power under the hood of the One with ultimate customizability, alongside the creativity and ingenuity our users bring to the table, INDI offers opportunities beyond imagining.